How to convert Heic photos to JPG using your iPhone. To do this, I will once again use the CAPCUT program. Most of its useful functions are free. When you take a photo and enter the gallery, click on the information next to the photo. You see the Heic format. To change it to JPG, go back to the menu, leave the thumbs up button under this video, open CAPCUT. Now we do not create a new project, just select Photo Editor from the buttons above. We search for the photo we want to edit, select it, and click Add. Now we are in the CAPCUT Photo Editor. If you want, you can brighten your photo, add contrast, or do nothing and export the photo. The exported photo is automatically saved in JPG format. To do this, simply click the Export button in the upper right corner. Done. Now when you enter the gallery, the last photo will be created. Click under it, and you will see that the photo format is now JPG. Thanks for watching my guide. Subscribe to my channel and leave the thumbs up button under the video.